In this video, I'll show you how to avoid shopping addiction or overspending on the Temu app on your phone. So, let's get started. First, open the Temu app on your phone and go to your profile section. Take a moment to review your recent orders and spending habits. Next, turn off unnecessary notifications and pop-ups to reduce temptation. You can do this from the app settings or your phone's notification settings. After that, set a clear spending limit for yourself, such as a weekly or monthly budget, and try to stick to it. You can also remove your saved payment methods to make purchases less convenient and avoid impulse buying. Try to avoid browsing the app unless you actually need to buy something. It's also helpful to find other activities that are less financially harmful, such as exercising, learning a new skill, or spending time with friends and family. If needed, you can limit your screen time or set app usage restrictions from your phone's settings. Finally, unsubscribe from promotional emails and offers to reduce distractions. And that's it. These simple steps can help you control your spending and avoid shopping addiction.